Went to church in high heels like that. Gotta look.
Madison, what are you doing?
You gotta come back. You gotta come back this way.
Yeah, but I'm here.
Hey, you gotta look in the bushes. She looked right at it and didn't even see it.
Madison.
You gotta look in the bushes. Look in the bushes. Mad Dog, look. Look in the bushes. Good job.
No eggs.
There's more eggs. You gotta find them. You gotta come out to. Gotta look in the bushes and in the grass.
Madison, come here. You gotta look on the bench.
Gotta look everywhere.
You gotta look everywhere.
Did you look in the grass?
What about over here? Funny, she looks right at him and then it's like she don't see him. There's one more.
There's two more.
Where? Huh?
There's two more. You have to look for them. Two more.
Oh, here, Mad Dog. Walk in, maybe. Walk in. Oh,
That's pretty good, isn't it?
Madison, look by Daddy. Look by Daddy. Don't forget your basket. What about
There's one more.
Madison?
It's up by Brother.
Look by Brother. Look by Brother. Steve, look over in here. It's funny when she finally sees. Did you find them all? You found all of the eggs? You gotta count them. Count them and see if you have all 12. Count them now. Let's count them. Let's see if you have 12 eggs. Count them.
Madison,
Count your eggs, Madison.
take them out and count them.
Count them. See if you have 12 eggs. 1. Come on.
Put it on the bench.
Put it.
There you go. One.
Oh, I got a video. Come on. Here.
How many is that?
How many? How many eggs do you have?
2.
How many is that?
Oh!
Did you clean it?
I'm okay.
It's all clean.
Oh.
How many eggs is that?
On the back.
You gotta count them, Madison.
6.
Close, you're at 5.
1.
That's, what does that make, 6?
Yeah, they're not dry. Or the almonds.
We gotta make sure you got them all.
6.
6.
7.
8.
You keeping?
9. How many is that? 10. And 11, 12.
Okay, you have 12 eggs. You have all of the eggs, Madison. Put them in your basket and we'll bring them in. Clean them off.
Good job, Madison.
Good job. Yay! Crack them for us. We're going to eat them for breakfast?
No, yet.
She just throws them in there.
Fragile, handle with care. Okay.
Okay.
Come
Come on, baby girl.
Come on, dog.